Hello, I'm Caspro, the lucky mascot of Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Keep watching.
Here I have taken 2 cups of white oats for making a delicious steamed cake known as Puttu in Kerala. This can be done in 2 methods. Toast oats for a minute and then turn into powder, or you can use ashes as shown in the video here. Initially we need to powder the oats into a fine or coarse powder. Here I have made it fine powder since that's what we prefer at home. Now add required salt and mix well. So wet the oats powder in a lukewarm water as shown. Avoid boiling water as it will overcook the oats. Bind it together as shown. Please ensure that you set aside 2 tablespoons of oats powder to be used when needed to ensure the right consistency. If you feel that the amount of water is more than expected. Here I used half glass plus 1 to 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. You can adjust as required. You can confirm the right consistency when you fizz the rice powder. It holds together as shown. If you prefer to add grated coconut, you can add in now to bring out to enhance the taste. Now transfer this into a blender and pulse once. This is the time if you think that the water is actually too much, you can add in 2 tablespoons of oats powder that was set aside earlier. Do this one by one and not at one go. Please ensure that do not powder it much. Do not use high speed, just use the pulse button once. Now our soft, nice powder is ready. If you don't have enough oats powder, you can also add in wheat powder or atta to maintain the taste. If you prefer to add grated coconut, you can add in now to bring out to enhance the taste. Set aside this final mixture for 5 to 10 minutes before you use it for steaming. Once the steam comes out of the vessel is the time where you will actually place the puttu maker on top of the vessel or pressure cooker. Steam this for 4 to 5 minutes or until you can see the steam coming from the top. Whatever I just explained is you already have a puttu maker at home. Just in case it is otherwise, you can follow the method shown here. You can serve this yummy puttu with chickpea or green gram curry or even with banana. Enjoy this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Keep watching. Thank you.